Hi, so this is our second and our last inspirational message for the day. So this is based on Matthew chapter 14. Let me first share with you Matthew chapter 14 verse 27. Take courage, it is I, don't be afraid. So sometimes kasi kapag masyado tayong nakatingin sa problems, madali tayong mas nalulubog. Lalo na sa takot at saka yung sa doubt. Pero in Matthew chapter 14, habang nakafocus si Peter kay Jesus, nakalakat siya sa tubig. So, the moment he focused on the storm, nagsimula siyang matakot. So, ayun, kailangan lang natin mag-focus kay God. Kailangan lang natin i-lift everything to Him. Paulit-ulit tayo, no? Simula sa John, sa Book of John, ngayon sa Book of Matthew, ganun pa rin. Let go and let God. Sana ma-master natin siya, no? Pero ngayon, I am slowly, mastering that. Letting go and letting God. Medyo nag-fail pa rin, hindi pa rin naman tayo as in super master na. Pero napapansin ko yung sarili ko because of this devotion and because of this everyday thing that we are doing. Medyo kumakalma na ako and nakikita ko na yung progress and difference between me before, me yesterday, and me today. So, sana kayo din. Sana tayong lahat magkaroon tayo ng mas stronger relationship with our Lord. So, yun lang kasi yung magiging sandata natin while we are here on earth. So, again, let's just focus on Him. Let's just trust Him and let's surrender everything to Him. So, wag tayong magpapatalo sa takot, and if natatakot na tayo, ang best thing to do is to pray. So, ganun lang. Yun lang yung panlaban natin. Yun lang din yung ginagawa ko. So, baka yun lang din yung pwede niyong gawin if ever na medyo napupuno na kayo ng takot at pangamba at doubt. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for today. So, sana mapanood nyo rin yung Matthew chapter 14 na Bible reading natin. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. God bless us!